today we're going to have the car valeted. So we've got a photo shoot on Sunday, so today's Thursday, and getting it valeted, make it look all nice, get rid of all the grease and oil from where we've been working on it, and just get it ready for this shoot and breakfast car meet on the Sunday. I'll just get her out and we'll go from there. Already parked up, just waiting for the valeter now, and yeah, we'll get cracking.
Hazard car meet at the Micro Pub in Ashford, and from there we're going to a photo shoot. So it's going to be a little car meet, car show type thing coming around June, July sort of time, and they wanted to use the car for advertising, so we'll be taking it down to Shepard's railway station and having a little photo shoot done for the advertisement. And yeah, I'll record what I can. I'll probably end up being too busy moving the car, etc. on the shoot, and at the meet I tend to talk to people, so I'll take as much video as I can, whatever catches my eye. Otherwise I'll just post bits of the journey, and I'll do a slideshow of photos, etc. And I'll post a few of the pictures from the photo shoot if I can get hold of them. Alright, sweet. I'll just let the video play on, and you probably won't hear from me after that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be doing a introductory video on the 2 Zodiacs and the Escort soon, so subscribe, hit the bell, and let's see when they come out. Catch you later.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.